Hey Facebook fam, welcome back to another video. So guys, as I promised you guys that I'm taking you guys to my makeup shop, so come with me guys, let's go to Milano city together. Okay, so guys, I went to Milano to do one or two things, and I decided to branch Tiger and what is it called, Sephora. You all know I love makeup so much, and Sephora is my brand. I love to buy my makeup from Sephora and Kiko. So those two brands is what I really use. Okay, so on my way going to the Sephora, I branched Tiger to pick one or two things which I will be needing. And I didn't really see things that I love in Tiger, so I was just going about looking at stuff they have. While I was in Milano, I used to visit Tiger a lot, so in this my city, I'm still in Milan though, but just 30 minutes away, so now I'm not in Ascot, which is, yes, Ascot of Milan. But before, I live in center of Milan, like just close to this Tiger that I went, so yes, Milano is a very big city that if you want to go for holiday, or you are just thinking of where to go, if you have the opportunity to come to Italy, you can as well visit Milano city. Milano city is a very big city and it's very beautiful. They have beautiful place to visit, beautiful stuff. So they have Duomo di Milano and a lot of fine places in Milano, guys. So if you are looking for a place to visit while you come to Italy, you can come to Milano. So I saw this for lazy coffee lover. I said no, I don't want for lazy coffee lovers, guys. I didn't buy. I wanted to pick one, but I was like, no. I don't want to buy this one. So I was just going around the Tiger. They have a lot of beautiful stuff in Tiger, and I picked one or two things which you are going to be seeing close to the end of this video. You can see a lot of things they have. So guys, please, if you come across this video, like on Facebook page, please guys, follow my page. Okay, just follow my page. It's not too hard to follow. Just click on that follow. You just follow, and let's take this our Facebook to 10K followers. Okay, please. So I picked nails cutter. So how many of you are in your house, you and your husband always dragging for nails cutter? Guys, that one is another story for another day. So I pick nails cutter. I pick one. We have one nails cutter in this house. Me and my husband, every weekend we always drag for nails cutter. Not just drag, like it's a fun though. It's a joke. But we are like, I'm going to cut my nails first, and my husband was like, I'm going to cut first. So and now I now have two, so everybody with your own. So no dragging of nails cutter in my house again. So guys, I pick nails cutter and I pick mortar. So I know that I'm going to see this mortar in Tiger, so I have to go to Milano to go and pick it. I picked this beautiful cup for my son Joshua, and I have to go to Milano to go and pick that mortar because sometimes I need to just not blended pepper, just mortar pepper, just to use it like that, and use it for yam. This small mortar is what I'm talking about, and it was very cheap. It cost €6. I have to pick it. You see mortar, it's written mortar. So this one, when you want to eat yam and plantain, so you don't want that yam and plantain to be smooth, you just blend and you just use this mortar and use it, and it's very sweet. So guys, this is Coso Buenos Aires. This place is called Coso Buenos Aires. So this is a very beautiful place in Milan that you need to visit. And here is my Sephora. I love Sephora so much, guys. Sephora is one of my best brand in makeup. Like, they have long lasting makeup. This is not an advert. I'm just giving them the kudos. They have long lasting makeup, but their things is very expensive, guys. So I have to go and buy my face toner, which they don't have. They have to order it for me, and it arrived in my house like the next day. Okay, so guys, this is what I got, a lot of beautiful stuff and a lot of things. Thank you, bye.